Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to round image corners in Canva. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to do that. So to start with, click on the image you want to round the corners of. So you can see this image has got quite sharp corners in like a rectangle shape. The easiest way to round the corners of the image is to click on the image, then go to the toolbar and click on corner rounding. From there, you can use the slide bar to decide how rounded you want the image corners. So as you see, if I take it right to the top, it takes it really rounded. If I bring it down just a little bit, it's not as noticeable. So that's the first option you have. The second option is to use frames. So click on elements and you have different frames here. So there's a square with rounded corners or a rounded frame. So I'm going to put both of them onto my canvas. And I'm going to go find that same image again. And I'm just going to click on it and add it to those frames. So as you can see, it's got rounded edges on that one and really rounded edges on the round frame. So that's it. It's really easy to round the corner on images in Canva. Please give the video a like and subscribe. I will see you soon.